Rain tapped on the window as Sam slid into the bar's darkest booth. The air was thick with smoke, masking faces and intentions. From the bartender came a folded note, edges singed, ink smeared. Sam's fingers trembled slightly as he read, "Trust the piano. He knows." Eyes darted to the old pianist, who nodded almost imperceptibly. Beneath the piano, another note, "Truth hides in plain sight." Sam's heart raced. In the mirror behind the bar, a reflection revealed a man passing a brown envelope to a shadow. The story was there, waiting to be written.